Hey, Nikki Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. So we did get these from Amazon Fresh, and they are basically done and have a strainer pot. So I'm going to go ahead and strain them. And I am using a jar sauce. I didn't make any sauce this time. Alright. So what I'm going to do is season up my sauce. Some Italian seasoning. A little bit of, no. I think I'm going to use some Slap Your Mama a little bit because it is a little salty. But just a little Cajun seasoning. A little bit of pepper. I thought I had some garlic powder, but I don't, so I'm going to put a little bit more oregano. And some if I can find them. Crushed red pepper flakes. Give it a little kick. Little kickity kick. A little spice. And I'm going to rub it around. And give the sauce a little taste. It's tasty. And I'm actually going to use the container that it came in. To serve myself some. Get a little bit more sauce. here we go. Get my fork. And see what we have. I just realized not only is it gluten and dairy free, but it's also made with ancient grains. Yaba has some teff and amaranth, millet. This is pretty good. Again, I got it from Amazon Fresh. So if you decide to try, I hope that you enjoy. And it's spinach and artichoke. Alright, love y'all. Later. Mwah.